Here's how to set up shipment and order tracking on WooCommerce. The solution is actually pretty simple. Go to your WordPress dashboard, hit Plugins, then Add New. Search for Advanced Shipment Tracking for WooCommerce and grab the free version. This thing supports over 850 shipping carriers, which is frankly more than you'll ever need. But hey, options are good. After you install it, you've got to tell the plugin which shipping companies you actually use. Head over to WooCommerce in your sidebar and look for Shipment Tracking. Click that to get into the settings area. You'll see a bunch of tabs up top. The one you want is shipping carriers. This is where you pick which companies deliver your stuff. Hit Enable Carriers, and you'll see this massive list of shipping services. Find yours: UPS, FedEx, USPS, DHL, whatever you use, and click Add next to each one. What this does is tell the plugin how to create the right tracking links for your customers. Now comes the part where you actually add tracking information to orders. Go back to WooCommerce, then Orders. Pick any order that needs tracking details and scroll down until you see the shipment tracking section that just appeared. Click Add Tracking Number, and you'll get a simple form. Type in the tracking number exactly like it shows on your shipping label. Pick your shipping carrier from the dropdown. All those carriers you just enabled will be there. You can throw in the shipping date too, if you want customers to see when the package left your place. The tracking info shows up automatically in customer emails and on their account page.